Kayong susuko, huwag kayong bibigay, laban lang. Kaya ba? Lagi po sinasabi sa inyo, make your alma mater proud. At ganoon din sa mga magulang, salamat po sa lahat ng suporta niyo. At sana, huwag din kayong bibitaw. Suportahan niyo pa rin sila hanggang kaya ninyo. Hanggang makamit nila kung ano man ang pinapangarap nila sa kanilang buhay. Muli po, maraming salamat.
Thank you, Ma'am Jane and Ma'am Crystal. Graduates, you may now be seated. As we approach this very significant moment, we are reminded of the many challenges and obstacles that each of our graduates has faced along their journey. Through determination, hard work, and courage, they have overcome these challenges and have come out stronger on the other side. Today, as we distribute their diplomas, we celebrate not just their academic accomplishments, but their resilience and commitment to excellence. With great pride, I now invite our beloved school head, Ma'am Mary Jane G. Rico, our dear head teacher, Ma'am Crystal Gail B. Lumano, our SPTA President, Ma'am Melody Lupigo, and of course, our Barangay Kagawad in charge of education, Honorable Alfonso Balini, and of course, our esteemed guest of honor, Ma'am LJ Relox Benedito. For the distribution of diploma, awarding of medals, and certificate of recognition. Also, I'd like to invite here on stage the beloved advisors of our graduates to accompany them as they receive their diplomas. The graduates from the Accountancy, Business, and Management strand are Basilio Jeffrey I, Work Immersion Award. Vamos, JLP.